As we're all aware, the coronavirus has brought about significant health concerns throughout the world. We've taken a proactive approach in order to ensure the health and safety of our employees, as well as being in a position to continue to best serve our clients who've been injured. As many people know, the courts are essentially closed right now in New York State. Our office has been preparing for this situation for the last 3 weeks, and also having lived through 9/11 as well as Hurricane Sandy, where there have been significant closures, we're prepared for the situation. We have remote access technology where anyone who is not in the office is able to work as if they're here. Our office is completely paperless. What does that mean? We don't need to rely on being in the office in order to access certain information. The courts have what's called an e-filing system in New York State. What that means is that if a firm is set up with the appropriate technology, we have the ability to proceed with your case as if the courts are open. Paper discovery can be exchanged. Legal documents can be filed with the court. Motions for relief that we're asking for from judges, those can continue to be submitted. Judges aren't requiring appearances right now, so we don't have to wait for the courts to open in order for us to get relief. The only big issue that I see right now is the fact that we're unable to have jury trials. Why is that significant? The reason why that's significant is because the threat of a jury trial or a jury trial itself puts the people who are defending these lawsuits in a position where they have to make a decision. So we don't have the same leverage to push the people on the other side to make that decision, to resolve a case. Our law firm, though, based on our history, based on our experience, they know that when the courts open back up, we'll be ready. We'll be ready to go to trial. We're able to conduct depositions through remote conferencing technology, through Skype, Google, other technologies like that. The reason why that's so important is depositions are key components to moving a person's case forward. If a law firm doesn't have that technology, then a person's claim can be stalled. The issue that people should be concerned about when they're asking the question, is my law firm capable of handling the corona outbreak? Are they in a position to continue to litigate my case in an effective way? If a law firm doesn't seem to meet the criteria, having the financial resources, having the remote technology, having the paperless services so that they can continue to operate at times of slowdowns and closures, now is the right time to take a hard look at who's representing you and who would be the appropriate law firm to represent you in the future. Switching law firms doesn't cost a person any money. In New York State, for example, legal fees in a personal injury matter are 1/3 of the recovery. If someone decides to switch law firms, the old law firm will be compensated for the work that they did based on that same 1/3. People aren't paying additional money if they end up switching law firms. So if they do see a concern, certainly there's no reason why they shouldn't be consulting a law firm that they think would be better equipped to handle their situation. The team at Hach Rose understands how stressful this situation is for our injured clients as well as their families. Our firm is prepared and in position to provide the same top-notch legal service as it always has.